Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to send money from your PayPal account to your Cash App account. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to paypal.com and just simply sign in into your account. And from here, first just simply go to wallet. From here, just simply click on link a bank. So guys, from here, just simply provide your bank code and account number. And guys, in other cases, it will be routing number and account number. So guys, now just simply go to Cash App. So on the Cash App, guys, just go to the bottom left where you see a bank icon or dollar icon. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on account and routing. And guys, from there you should be able to see the routing number and account number. And if you don't see this, just simply get a debit card in order to access the account and the routing number. So guys, remember that it is free, so make sure to apply for that in order for you to get the routing number and account number. And now when you go back to the PayPal, just simply provide the details over here. And once you have linked your bank in PayPal, just simply go to home, guys, and go for transfer funds. And from here, since I don't have a balance, I won't be able to show you, but follow the steps on the screen. From here, guys, just simply select transfer to your bank and select your bank. And after that, just simply select transfer now. And guys, remember that the transaction will take 3 to 5 business days to apply. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more about this topic. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.